Hello and a warm welcome to the path of mastering English fluency through the Speak Real English method. Over many years of dedicated teaching and personal experiences learning new languages, I have developed a practical system to guide learners toward true fluency. The foundation of this approach begins with thoughtful planning. When you set out on your English learning journey, it is essential not to merely stick to the schedule outlined in a textbook or even blindly follow the program suggested by your instructor. Instead, take the time to truly reflect on your personal reasons for wanting to learn English. Understand your motivation deeply because it will shape every part of your learning experience. Ask yourself clear questions. Why are you motivated to learn English? What are the specific things you dream of expressing? Who are the people you envision communicating with? Maybe your goal is to speak confidently with new friends from around the world. Maybe you aim to work in international business and need professional language skills. Perhaps you have ambitions of entering the medical field, where your English vocabulary must include technical terms related to healthcare. Or maybe your dream is to enjoy casual conversations with travelers and locals while visiting foreign countries. Each purpose leads to a different pathway, and recognizing yours will guide your studies with clarity and efficiency. For instance, someone studying English for a medical career will need to prioritize completely different vocabulary and expressions compared to someone preparing for casual travel conversations or socializing in cafes and restaurants. If your dream is to become a translator in legal settings, such as working inside a courtroom, your focus must be on mastering legal terminology, formal structures, and precise interpretation. Each context demands a specialized set of language tools, and identifying your own destination at the beginning ensures that you do not waste time wandering aimlessly through irrelevant topics. Instead of drifting through lessons that may not suit your end goals, you will chart a personal roadmap, selecting the words, expressions, and situations most useful to you. Fluency is not only about how many words you know but about knowing the right words for the right conversations. When you take charge of your own learning process, the progress becomes faster, smoother, and far more rewarding. You are no longer a passive learner waiting for fluency to happen. You are an active participant creating your own English-speaking life. Take a notebook, sit quietly for a few minutes, and write down your reasons. Visualize the conversations you want to have. Picture the environments where you will use English. Will it be in a hospital, in a university, in an office, or in a bustling market? What kinds of emotions do you want to convey? What kinds of people will you meet? When you build a strong personal vision, you are giving yourself a powerful tool that will energize and focus all of your future lessons. Every successful English speaker has, at some point, made this internal decision, to define their purpose clearly before getting lost in vocabulary lists and grammar drills. The more vivid your goal is in your mind, the easier it will be to stay motivated during difficult times, to choose materials that suit you, and to measure your success in ways that feel meaningful. So today, take this first essential step toward real fluency. Think deeply about your dreams, about the people you want to speak to, about the life you imagine yourself living in English. Begin by knowing exactly why you are on this journey, and you will already be moving powerfully toward your destination. Embrace this beginning with enthusiasm and confidence, and trust that with every lesson, every conversation, and every moment of practice, you are bringing your vision closer to reality. Let us take this first important step together toward the English-speaking future you desire.